Hey friends, if you wish to fix Kernelbase dll error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Now go to this page, okay, and then you can scroll down and you'll find this option for x64 here. Usually we have 64-bit computers these days, but some of them are 32-bit, in which case you will choose this option. But since I have a 64-bit computer, I will choose the relevant option and then click on open. You don't need to save it, just click on open and then select repair. If it was not installed on your system at all, then you will have to install it instead of repairing it. You'll get the option accordingly, though that's a rare case. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.